Okay, so that's my sunbed here in the swimming pool, and this time we're gonna look for Berna and Loralee. Yes, Pullman is a very nice resort here in Da Nang, very close to Hoi An, and they have a very nice infinity pool. And if you want to drink, they have a bar that has a happy hour at 5 p.m. And right across there is the spa and the gym. And my room is just there on top of the it's on the 5th floor. And underneath those coconuts are very nice beds. Ayan, yan ang favorite ko, yung mga ganyang mga beds. We call them hammocks. If you don't like the hammocks, you can just stay in one of those sunbeds overlooking the beach. There's a walkway here, so if you're barefooted, you won't feel the heat. The best part is that ang laki ng beach nitong Pullman, and the quality of sand is very fine. So if you compare this with the places in the Philippines like Boracay, this place would be much better because there's no crowd. Yes, you know, that's the advantage of the beaches here. You don't have the crowd just like in Boracay. You can also use those little cabanas or these bean bags. I think Berna and Loralee are under these trees. Oh, no. They must have transferred to another area. Oh, here. Dito pala sila nagtatago eh. Berna, diyan pala kayo. Oh, ang ganda talaga ng beach nito, no? Ang lapad. At yung luxury resort ng Intercon is on the other side of the peninsula. Hey Loralee, you seem to be enjoying your book?
Yes.
Sarap na ba mag-chill out dito? Under the coconut trees. Talaga ng sand niya, oh. Ano siya? Oh, panlaban sa Boracay sand, mas maganda pa. Okay, on that side is actually the luxury resort of Intercon. And on that side there's a huge marble statue. I made a research about that white big statue, and it's called the Lady Buddha here in Da Nang, Vietnam. So back to this very wide beach. This beach is so wide na kahit magkaroon ng climate change, they won't get affected. And in front are the rooms. Member of Accor, you should try booking here at the Pullman here in Da Nang. So on my left side is the Azure restaurant where they serve international foods, and this area is actually a kids corner. So the sun is very high. The Pullman is about 5 stories high. Yes, kid is playing, enjoying herself. They have so many sunbeds and not enough clients. Very nice infinity pool overlooking the beach. Again, thank you for watching the vlog. Rolly and Berna.